Hey, Martin here. I'm out here at Pick Apart, North Las Vegas, and just, looking for stuff. And I got a 4.7 liter Dodge motor sitting here on the ground with the head taken off. And I've talked about this before about valve seats dropping. Well, this is the extreme case where it happened and they obviously did not stop. They just kept on driving until this motor died. Check this out. I have never seen a piston that bad. But I mean, look at that. I mean, they must have been part of the valve stem. The valve looks like it broke off, and then the stem of it drove into there. You can see there's no valve seat here, it's gone. And then they just, piston is going up and down and just hammering away at everything up in here. Well, there you have it. Well, the search continues. I'm gonna go enjoy myself out here at Pick Apart, like I always do. If you never subscribed to me before, hit that subscribe button right down below and a little bell symbol right next to it for future uploads. Thanks for watching.